Hello guys. So let's start with my introduction. My name is Shubham Chipa. I'm currently working as a software engineer at Happy, and previously I freelanced at Umigo Incorporation, that is a US-based startup, and Elysian Field Group Holdings, that is a UK-based startup. Recently, I interviewed with Amazon, Razorpay, Navi Technology, and various other startups and product-based companies. I am a passionate software engineer and like to teach coding and development stuff. So, uh, about this channel, this YouTube channel is sponsored by Newton School. So, let's have an introduction about Newton School. So, you can see here is the website of Newton School. Newton School is a edtech startup. So, it offers free upfront courses and trainings to get placed in various product-based companies and startups. So they have a model of income share agreement where you don't have to pay until you get hired. And yeah, so students who take courses from the Newton schools have like placed in these companies. You can check out the website, and you are going to get live classes, industry projects, mock interviews, personal mentoring from like people who are currently working in the industry. Yeah, so you can expect these kind of courses. uh, you can see we have like top-notch mentors from Google, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs. Yeah, so you can check out their website and courses. If you think you can do it, you can like enroll in those courses and you can get hired by software companies and startups. Yeah, so this is the question. You are given an array. This is quite famous question and is recently asked me in an interview to a company that is started with A and is quite popular for its e-commerce. So you are given a array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day, and you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell the stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. Okay, so that's the simple question. And so as the usual drill I told you in the previous question, so once the interview pays this question and then he explains it, then he also give you some example, and then he just verbally explain the about the example. For example, he gives like this price and then give the answer output as 5. Okay, and yeah, so he will like buy buy on this when the price is 1 and sell is when the price is 6, so the total will be profit will be 5. Okay, and so then you have to ask for the constant. So you will ask him the constants and then he will paste the constants like this. Okay, then you have to observe these constants and give your decision based on that. Okay, so first you have to give the like the not the optimal solution. You can like verbally tell him like, yeah, if we use n square problem, n square solution, then it will not be able to solve in 1 second. So the complexity will be 10 to the power 10. That is not feasible. So we have to do it in O of n. Okay. So then you can like told him uh, your approach. So you can told him like you are going to have a minimum price variable, and you are going to store the minimum price while iterating over the array, and you have also you have to maintain a maximum profit, and you are going to update the minimum price and maximum price. So yeah, so that is how you are going to get the your solution. So once the interviewer is okay, then he will tell you to write the solution. Okay, so let me remove this and try to write the solution. Okay, so you don't have to take the input, but it is not like in most of the interview the code editor is not provided. Only the live editor, you can code it there, you can write textual, but you can't run the code. So yeah, so let me write the example manually here. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 5 3 6 4 7 1 5 3 6 4. Okay, yeah, so as I told you, just showed you like how to take input from the array. You can take the input like for example n equals to you have to like uh, 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 like talk with the interviewer and explain him the code while writing. For example, here you have to tell like I am taking n as the like number of values in the array or the prices, and then I'm iterating over the n values and taking them in the vector, which is a type int prices, and then yeah, so this is the vector prices, it has n values, and then you are going to a temp variable that is cn x and prices I equals to x. Okay, now you have the prices. You can create a separate function that is max profit, and then you can pass the prices along. Yeah, you can directly pass the prices since it's a vector. You can create int max profit, which is going to take vector prices. Yeah, okay, so and one more thing that yeah, so this means we are taking the prices by reference, not by value. For example, if we don't use this ampersand sign, it will copy all the, it will create a variable, okay, local to this profit function, and add all these values. Just copy this price variable into this local price variable. Okay, and we have like 2 copies sitting in our memory. So for if we don't want that, we can use ampersand, that is going to just point to this original prices that is coming from this main function, and we are always pointing to this prices, not there is no memory created locally for these prices in this function. Yeah, okay, so that's why you use prices, that it is for a pointer to the prices. So previously there was we can do this using the pointer as well, but now in the modern C++, it is done by references. Okay, so this ampersand represent the references, and now we have our prices in max profit function. What we can do is we can, as we told the approach to the interviewer, we are going to have the min price, and we are going to initialize it with int max, and then we have the int max profit. Okay, let's use the double T just for the sake of, like, don't confuse with this max profit to this max profit, although it is okay to use, but for the sake double T. So yeah, so 0, initialize the maximum profit as 0, and we are going to return the max profit. Okay, so now we have to do something in this max profit and return the max profit, update the max profit. We are already returning it, so we have to find the length. N equals to prices dot size. Okay, now we can iterate over the array as we told the approach to the interviewer, and we can update our min price. Okay, min price will be the minimum of min price and the current value of the price, that is ith price. And we are also going to create take the diff of difference of the current price minus the min price. Okay, the current price and the min price, and we are going to update our max profit equals to max of max profit comma diff. Okay, so it will do what needed. Let us try this and see if it works, and we will also do the debugging if there is an error. Okay, so this is supposed to be so I guess we are not printing it somewhere, so let's see out this. So 5 is the answer for the same. You can also try to add some more test cases. You can check, and if the interviewer wants you to dry run, you have to also do the dry run, because here we have the ability to run the code, but in the actual interview we can't run the code. We have to dry run and have to prove that your solution is working to the interviewer. So once the interviewer is satisfied, you are good to go. So that's how we use arrays, and we have also done a question that is asked in the recent interviews, that is using vectors. So today we have used the vector, how to initialize it, how to use it, and we have also done a question that is currently asked in interview that is purely based on vector. Thank you. If you like the video, please click on like, subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. And also check out Neutral School's website, where you can take courses without any upfront fees. So you can check out those courses, and thank you for watching.